दोस्तों, so today we are starting for the practice set 3.5 class 9. Question number 1, find the values of the polynomial 2x minus 2x is cubed then plus 7 using the given values for the x. So first one you can apply that 3 and second one minus 1 and 0. Okay, let's see how to get solved. So first one you put up the value p of x, replace that 3. Now use of the quotient 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. So x replace that 3 everywhere. 2 3s are 6 and 3 cube is equal to 27 and plus 7 27 get multiplied to is equal to 54 plus 7. So this one is 7 plus 6 13 minus 54 is equal to minus 41. So the value of the given polynomial for x is equal to 3 is minus 41. Second one देखेंगे, same p of x replace that minus 1 everywhere. So 2 minus 2 then minus 1 and minus 2 and minus 1 then plus 7 plus 2. So this one get cancelled plus 7. So the value of the given polynomial for x is equal to minus 1 is 7. Then second one, p of x is equal to 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. P of x replace that 0 everywhere. So is equal to 7. So the value of the given polynomial for x is equal to 0 is 7. Question number 2, for each of the given polynomial find p of 1, p of 0, p of minus 2. So this the question is there. So first one get put up the value p of 1, p of 0 and p of 2. So first one हम put up करेंगे सब में, then again 0 ऐड करेंगे, then minus 2 ऐड करेंगे. So first one x, using of the x replace that 1. First one is 1. So 1 is equal to 1, p of 1, and 0 you can apply that is equal to 0. And the third one, p of x minus 2, so minus 8 is the answer. Second one, so p of y is equal to 1, then p of 1 is equal to 1 minus 2, then plus 5 is equal to minus 1 and plus 5 is equal to 4. Then apply that 0, it means positive 5. Then third one apply करेंगे, so minus 2. So minus 2 and y square minus 2, then minus 2 and plus 5. So here they will be apply that minus 2, right? Minus 2, what is the square root? Square 4, then plus 4 and plus 5. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 13. Third one apply करेंगे. So third one again 1. Everywhere x replace that 1 minus 2 then minus 1. So is equal to the get cancel minus 2. Again apply that 0. So 0 0 0 is equal to 0. Then p of x replace that minus 2 and minus, then minus 2 4 raised to 4 under 2, then minus 2 whole square minus 2. So 2 is equal to 16 and minus 2 then 4 plus 2. So 16 minus 8 plus 2 10. So p of minus 2 is equal to 10. So question number 3 हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे. जय हिंद दोस्तों.